Hey guys, what's up? This is Jake and I'm back with another video. Alberto's not in this video. We filmed these clips a little bit earlier this week, but I'm gonna go ahead and play these clips now. It's just the sound of the blow-off valve with the charge pipe installed. These are from VRSF. Go ahead and make sure you watch that other video that we did with the install. It's pretty quick and easy, nothing too complicated there. Make sure that you do order from VRSF. That's what everybody else on the forum recommends. And I don't quite think there's anything better out there, especially for the price. So definitely go ahead and check that out. Link to the product will be in the description, and let's go ahead and get into this video. Thanks for clicking on today's video. Before we get started, please do not forget
to like, comment,
and subscribe, boys.
Hey, let's
get this.
Hey, we're in Mexico, by the way. We just got to Mexico.
Yep, we're in Mexico. Time flies.
100% Mexico.
I'm not even hitting, I'm driving normal.
Oh my god. Why do I feel like it get annoying in like fucking stop and go traffic? That's funny. You must be running a lot of pressure though. Or is that normal? Is that normal?
Like, I don't know, this is our first car.
Does anybody know if this is normal?
Where you fucking drive? I don't see him no more. I feel bad for the guy.
This fucking guy, man. As kind of mentioned, we think that the charge pipe and blow-off valve, while it doesn't add a significant amount of horsepower gains, if any, it definitely does a lot more in the long run. Because when we plan on editing and tuning this car up to where we want it to be, it's going to need that charge pipe and blow-off valve in order to run the power we're looking to run. Now tear the fuck out of this hill. Oh, holy shit! Oh my god! Oh my god!
I didn't want to fool saying it because I thought the car.
I know, I looked like a fucking cop for a second. Like that, guys. This car is fucking fast. Excuse me. This car is really fast. Definitely some good content to come towards you guys. It may have a tune. We don't really know. We don't know a whole lot about the N54. So hopefully maybe one of you guys know. You can comment down below. But the car is really, really fast. Throws you back in your seat, and we were holding on for dear life. So definitely gonna be safe, and we're gonna make a whole lot more content coming your guys' way. We're gonna review this car. We're gonna compare this car. Your initial thoughts and final thoughts for this video?
Fucking amazing, dude. I drove it. Didn't slam it, but it was fucking quick. Let this guy drive it.
I got some experience with it.
And I was holding dear life to my own car. To my own car.
Oh man. I'm Beamer certified.
I'm speechless.
Like that, guys. We're gonna catch y'all on the no, hold up. We're gonna catch y'all on the we gotta do it the same way. We're gonna catch y'all on the flip.